Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is a chart of gold USD. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame, the 4 hours chart of gold USD. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you can easily recognize these Fibonacci levels, where I clearly mentioned that do not consider this as a trend reversal. I clearly mentioned that this is a retracement, and we can see that before reaching this price level, market started going down. Right now market is going down. Yes, see, the main thing is that we need to understand the market psychology here. Okay, this is not something very unique, okay, or this is something not very extraordinary. Okay, instead of just being a robot, we need to understand the market psychology. We need to understand the market emotion here. When we had a huge sell off last week, okay, what does it mean? It means that there were sellers in the market who dominated the market. The number of sellers were higher in comparison to number of buyers. Okay, let's assume number of sellers were 80 and number of buyers were 20. Okay, this scenario was like this. Okay, and when we had a scenario like this, okay, then immediately we cannot expect that this week on Monday, okay, the ratio will reverse. The sellers will be 20 and buyers will be 80 now. No, this does not happen. Sellers are still present in the market. Slowly and slowly, buyers may be taking over the market, but sellers are still there in the market. All of a sudden, you cannot think that buyers will jump in. New week has started, therefore, we will see a trend reversal. Market does not work like that. Okay. So, this is the reason I told you that there is a good possibility that market will retrace from this particular level. And if I remove these lines and draw a new line here, then you can see that right now market is trading in a tight range. Okay, in fact all the major currency pairs are trading in a tight range, like GBP USD, Euro USD. The condition of Euro USD is not that good. It is in a very narrow range, so it is better to avoid. But GBP USD looks good. Okay, the range looks big. Actually the range is bigger in GBP USD, so we can grab GBP USD at the bottom, at the support. But in gold USD, the things are not that promising, because you can see that, okay, the range is very narrow here. Okay, the range is very narrow here, so there is not much window to go for any buying opportunity or any shorting opportunity. In case, okay, in case you find gold USD taking support at this level, okay, one, so where you go, 1762. Okay, this level is important. Okay, in case you find market taking support at this level and you just observe the price, then okay, try to understand the market psychology again. Yes, your duty is to observe the market. Okay, so in case, okay, market comes down and takes support at this level, just see how the price is doing, just see how the price is reacting. If you see that, price is forming a hammer kind of a pattern, if you see that price is being rejected from below, if you see market forming green candle like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 1762 is a support for the market, or at least this is a temporary support for the market, because this is the level where market took support after the huge fall in the previous week. Therefore, this right now almost all the levels are shattered in almost all the currency pairs. We know there is no proper support here. Okay, in fact there is no proper support in any currency pair right now. But still, this level is trying to provide some temporary support to the market. Therefore, if right now you can see that market is coming down. So if market comes down and takes support at this price level, just observe the price and see how the price reacts. If you see price is reversing or price is about to bounce from this level, you can go for a buy order. I'm not saying that you'll be making huge money. Do not take heavy position. Follow proper risk management, but at least you can make some quick profit. But keep in mind that yes, follow proper risk management, because we retail traders do not drive the direction. Okay, the big players drive the direction of the market. Therefore, be very careful, follow proper risk management. Okay, and then only take position. Okay, and do not expect much profit, because right now market is trading in a range of 30 pips. Okay, 1762 and 1792, 30. Okay, so at least you can expect a 15 pips profit, 10-15 pips profit. Okay, so this is the only trading opportunity right now in the gold USD chart. Okay, and as we all know, the volatility. Okay, the market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So market was extremely volatile previous week. That's why market is taking rest right now. And whenever market starts taking risk or market is in a risk mode, then be prepared, my dear friends. After 1 or 2 days, again market will give us a good move, either towards the upside or towards the downside, because market always move from lower volatility to higher volatility as well. Okay, so keep your eyes open, and let's hope that market will come out of this tight range in 1 or 2 days. Until then, be safe, stay safe, and take safe trades. If you want to take risk, if you want to avoid the market for 1 or 2 days, okay, then you can avoid. That's it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.